Brother caught his first fish on the kayak. Go check out what it is.
Just come up right next to me. Bring that nose in.
What'd he get? It's a pretty nice fish. That's a brown trout.
Oh shit. Well, I thought it was a little rainbow.
No, it's a brown trout. Thanks to my buddy Nomad Knives. Got me that handmade knife.
There it is.
There we go. And then yeah, just scrape out the kidney. Just yeah, slice it and then fucking take it out. You just put your thumb in there and run it out. It'll come out.
There it is.
About to have a catch and cook. First brown trout I've seen in person. Pretty cool. Just a little guy, but we're about to eat him.
This was 2 hours of hard fishing right here to catch this guy.
That's cool. First brown trout I've seen. Good shit.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sound better than nothing.
It's beautiful out here. It's been windy off and on. But it's pretty good right now. Of course it'd be, once later on the day, once you're getting ready to go.
Just like that, Jose, one more.
All of a sudden. Just with your line in there?
Just with my line in there.
Oh. I was gonna say just pull it with your hand. You didn't have no tension on it or what?
No, that's what they were able to take. There it is though. Oh, this guy's bigger. Grab one. Oh shit, what's...
Hopefully you can reel him in. I'll try to get on the other side of you, see if I can.
I don't know. You got off. My fucking...
Oh, you're snagged up?
Run in.
There we go. Nice little rainbow. Sweet. Hell yeah. It's a little guy. I'll revive him real quick. A lot of little fish today. I fucked a bunch, but I haven't been able to bring them out. Oop, there we go. Got one. Got one. Gotta keep the pressure on. Ooh. Nice. Whoa. Hold on, buddy. There you go. Interesting. It was a little bit bigger. Cool little guy.
There it is. Well, guys, here's what'd you say it was, Jose?
Brown trout. Start heading back that way.
Well, guys, here's brown trout number 2. Got this guy earlier. Been fishing about 4 hours. Tried lures to begin with, didn't work out. Worm never fails. I can tell you guys that much. Well, guys, I tried for one more. Nothing's gonna happen. Looks like my brother's ready to go. Got excited because I caught 2. Looks like that's all we're gonna get. Oh, just kidding, guys. Got one more. There he is. Ah, he's just a little guy. Well, I'm trying to do a catch and cook for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go.
I give a shout out to my buddy Jacob. Made me this knife, Nomad Knives. That's my last name. About to use it to get some fish right now.
You go right behind the head,
There you go.
cut through that backbone.
Get the guts out. There we go.
Feed the ecosystem.
Now we'll just score the kidney right here. Like that. And rinse it out. Get the kidney out. There we go. Alright, looks like this guy's good to go. Nice little brown trout. It's gonna be the first time trying brown trout. So we decided to drive away from the lake just a little bit to get to the river at the other side, just to get away from the mosquitoes, because they were coming out and we want to get bit. or catch and cook. Got all the essentials. Got all these rocks brought in now. Gotta try to build. See if we can build a fire. Oh, you got the lighter in the pocket, huh?
Yeah, put the brush in there.
What?
Put that brush in there.
First, I wanted to light that napkin on fire. Then we can worry about making these. Once you got that on fire. I don't know what these are. I don't know if they're light on fire. That should be cool for now. Just light it. Make sure it's gonna start so the mosquitoes go away. Something like this. No, stick it in there. Just light that, and then you can light this with that. There we go. Well, those can certainly light. We got more little sticks. Wish we had more and more stick. Oh, this stuff lights up real good. So. Worked out a lot better than I thought. Cool little fire going for our catch and cook. I think we might need a couple more pieces. Let's see. Okay. A couple more pieces there. That'll work. Sweet. Twigs, maybe that way. And think about, we'll have to make a skewer. Should be pretty good. Stick the fish in there. Yes, sir. Here you go.
Yeah.
How do you want to do it?
Probably go
Through the tail or?
both. Where's the lemon pepper at?
Oh yeah, I gotta go get the seasoning. It's in the backpack.
In the back?
Yeah, in the backpack.
Skewer?
You got it?
Or I guess you could give me the. I'll do the fish. This little guy.
Either stick it through there or poke the tail.
Yeah.
Lemon pepper seasoning and some Himalayan sea salt. We'll use both, see which one tastes better. Should be pretty cool. Which one do you want to use first? Lemon pepper or the Himalayan sea salt?
With the lemon.
Himalayan pink salt, I guess I should say. We're using the lemon pepper first?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Don't overdo it. Want to prep the other one? Probably might have to get another stick. It's looking pretty good. I got the holes through it. I'm gonna rinse it off real quick. A flash on the phone.
Mine?
Wanna hold it? Use some of the Himalayan pink sea salt. That's what I'm gonna go with on this one. Oops. Might have overdid it. A lot more came out than I thought would. There we go. Put this bad boy back. Might get overdone. We'll see. Ooh, look at yours is looking good.
And yours is leaking juice.
It's because I just washed it. That's why. Heck yeah. Come on, fishy fish. Oh, you're gonna try to, oh, that's what you want? Undrop it. Falling off the bone.
The bone, literally.
Ooh.
Gee.
That's some, what are those again?
Bruh?
No, those cracker things?
Oh, Triscuit?
Oh, Triscuits.
I'm out on the skin.
Look at that, it fell off. Woo. Pretty good.
That'll eat.
It's falling off. Crazy.
Ooh, it's still hot.
That looks pretty sweet. Oh, you can see it on the front. Show it on the camera. Look at those bones coming off the bones. One side's a little more done than the other side.
Yeah, there's a little raw right there.
Yeah. Hell yeah. First ever catch and cook for my fishing channel. Of course, I had to be with my brother. Oh no! Ah, party foul. That's hot in there. Damn it. Of course I would drop my fish. Or you can give me a taste of yours. Nice. If you want.
Ooh, it's fucking.
Yep.
You gotta go quick.
That's why I did it.
Yours is really done though.
Yeah. Put the other side down. So I dropped my fish. You can see it right there. I think my brother came in clutch. It's first time trying a trout, let alone brown trout. Got These right here. Might be too much. You pull that side out.
Oh shit, I don't even know if I can, dude.
Oh, there you go. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah. Oh! Don't do that now. You know party dog.
Teamwork makes the dream work. These are actually pretty good. I've never had these chicken biscuits. I should say I haven't had them in a long time. I had a buddy growing up. His family would always buy these. He's the only person that ever had one. Shout out to him, to Benny and his family for introducing me to chicken biscuits. And my brother was craving them today, so worked out. Back in with cheers.
Squish it, squish it. Sandwich that shit. Yeah, with the pepper. Yep.
Heck yeah. Look at it smoking.
A bit of party fun right there. Not on the skin. You put it on there?
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
There you go. Okay, delicious. What do you think?
That'll hunt there.
Oh yeah. Successful and a failure. First catch and cook. I gotta make sure we put the fire completely out. I go down here by the river.
Get underneath that rock there.
Yeah, I don't know why you threw it. Get some more water, and then we should be good to go. Fill up water bottle. Fill up. Okay. There we go. Got another full one. If I would have thought about it, we would have brought a bucket. Made this a lot easier for us. That's looking pretty good. These rocks are hot. Just throw some dirt on it. That should be good to go. Heck yeah. I forgot there was one more thing I got. Found this wild chocolate muffin. Heck yeah. Catch a cook.
How's that wild chocolate muffin you got there?
Pretty good. Tastes a little earthy. Taste a little grasshoppers. No skunk, luckily, so just some grasshoppers. Maybe a caterpillar or two. Definitely porcupine walked over it.